Hello everyone, I am back with another video in which I'm showing you two methods to Twixtor your clips like a pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into it. So, you want this? Get ready with your clips. Now move one frame forward and split the layer right at the frames where the movement happens. Now select all your layers, drag them like this, then right-click and go to Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers. Make sure overlap is unchecked, then hit OK. Now pre-comp all the layers by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now your clip is shorter and faster because all the dead frames have been removed. Now add Twixtor Pro, then set the input frame rate to match your original clip's frame rate. Now pre-comp one more time, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to enable time remap. Now select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Then apply whichever of these two graphs suits your clip best. Now for the second method, we'll use a script called Duplicate Frames Remover by Paint.us, which removes all dead frames in just one click. Now simply add Twixtor or time remap just like before, and you're all done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any specific tutorial, drop it in the comments and I'll try to make it for you. See you in the next one.